Hi, in front of me is XIAOMI Mi Mix 2S, and today I would like to show you how you can connect this XIAOMI device through Bluetooth. Start by opening Settings and over here scrolling down. Then tap on Bluetooth, click on the switcher and wait for available devices to show up. When they do, click on the one that you want to connect to. Click Pair over here and wait for this device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected, but if you wish to forget this connection, you can always tap on the connected device over here and tap on pair. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!